To complete a domestic water design, you can click on pressure in the top right corner, and that will change the toolbar. The majority of this is very similar to heating. One difference is the flow source that you need to start the calculations. This is where you're going to be connecting the water system to. In the properties, you just need to add the pressure that you expect there, and also the height that the connection will be at. You can also choose to add a pump, a tank, or even a tank that contains a pump. And you can just drop that down on the design where you like, using the arrows to rotate it. The properties are similar to the heat source. Main differences are that you can choose the pump configuration, choose how long you want the storage to be of the flow rate, and at the spur pressure here, that is for the pump sizing, so it's going to add that on top of the automated sizing to ensure you get enough pressure through the system. And the hot water plant is identical to the heat sources that we've been working with. To draw the pipes, follow the same process, so you can hover over components to snap to the grid lines, and change the height using the arrows on the keyboard. And just like we did for the hot water system, we can draw the pipes much further than we know they're going to need to go, rather than trying to get it perfectly square, so that we can then delete that excess pipe and everything connects much neater then. Using the multi-pipe tool, very identical to the feed and return pipes, just draw those through the layout that you're looking for, and you can modify the pipes that you need to. To add a demand onto the water system, you can choose the fixtures from this drop-down menu and just place those on top of where the architect shows them. Again, you can rotate these with the arrows on your keyboard, and these contain all the loading units that the software will use to convert to a flow rate. Connecting the fixtures to the main pipes, you've got a few options. You can manually draw the pipes, but there is a cool feature where if you hold Control and click on the fixture and the pipe, you can click Auto Connect in the top right corner, and it will run that pipe in the most efficient route possible. For fixtures like basins and showers where they require warm water, you can choose a TMV and place that behind the fixture. And once again, you can hold Control, select two components, and choose to auto-connect those together. If you didn't want to go through that workflow and just wanted to connect hot water directly to the shower, you can do that. So if we look at this now, we can manually draw the pipe by hovering over the fixture. So it works well for the cold, but the hot won't connect automatically because it is registered to receive warm water. So as we draw this pipe over the fixture, you can see that orange cap won't disappear as we hover over it, and that's because there is no connection. So if you click on the fixture, the properties will show up, and under warm water, there is a box there that asks if you want to allow other systems to connect. If that says yes, the cap turns grey, and we can now connect hot water to the shower. And you can right click on a fixture and select similar to change all of them on one level at once. And the last things to do are just to connect the ring main on the hot water, and it will need a balancing valve if it is a recirculation system. And after that, click results and all the calculations will be automated.